Hello everyone, I'm going to start a new series, Learn 5 Kanji at a Time. This video is the first episode of this series. Let's start with a conversation. 今、何時ですか? What time is it now? 1時半です. It's 1:30, or it's 1:30. We are going to learn the following 5 kanji in this video. Because previous conversation is about time, kanji will be added into this lesson. Kanji are one of the 3 scripts in the Japanese writing system. They are logographic characters borrowed from Chinese language, and kanji represent both meanings and sounds. Most kanji has multiple readings, which can be categorized into onyomi and kunyomi. Onyomi are derived from the pronunciations used in China. Kunyomi are Japanese readings. When people started to use kanji to write native Japanese words, kunyomi were added to kanji. Let's go over each kanji one by one. First kanji. This kanji means now, the present. In the previous conversation, we pronounced this kanji as ima, which means now. It also has onyomi readings as kon, for example, in words like 今週, this week. Next kanji. These kanji means what. In the previous conversation, we pronounced it as nan, nanji, what time. You might also hear it pronounced as nani. 週末に何をしますか? What will you do on weekends? Next kanji. These kanji means time. In the previous conversation, it is pronounced as ji. 何時ですか? What time is it? 1時です. It's 1 o'clock. It's also pronounced as ji in words like 時間, time. It also has kunyomi readings. For example, 時, which means time, hour, moment, occasion. For example, 高校の時, when you were in high school. What does this mean? 時計. Take a guess. We just introduced this kanji means time. You will learn this kanji in the future. This kanji means measure. Something that measures time, which is watch, clock. Kanji is relatively more difficult to memorize compared to hiragana and katakana, but it's important and necessary to learn kanji when learning Japanese. Kanji make the sentence easier to understand compared to just using hiragana or katakana. When you encounter some vocabulary that you don't understand, but it's written in several kanji, you might be able to guess the meaning of that vocabulary if you know the meaning of each kanji. Next kanji. These kanji means interval, space. It's pronounced as kan in words like 時間, time. There are also other vocabulary using other readings of this kanji. For example, 間, which means space between, gap, interval. 仲間, which means fellow. The last kanji to be introduced in this video. These kanji means half, middle, semi. I will introduce some vocabulary using this kanji, such as in the previous conversation, 1時半です. It's 1:30. 半分, half. 半ば, middle, halfway. You've learned the following 5 kanji in this video. Great job. Remember to review this kanji regularly. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe.